guys, hope you're okay. My name is Rahul. I'm running my office in Manchester. First of all, I want to say well done, congratulations for being guys clearing your stage 1 and being in stage 2 as well. The topic I want to share with you guys is as example setting, assuming the role of being a leader, because I will be looking from you guys within the next 2 to 4 weeks down the line is to get promoted to leadership. And one of the key things to get promoted to leadership will be assuming the role of a leader. And the few things which I want to share with you guys, how you can be a good leader as of now, and you can start preparing yourself of assuming the role of a leader as well. So a few things which I will definitely cover in terms of being a good leader is the professionalism and the image. If you want to be a good leader, your image has to be the most important thing in the office. You should be dressing smart, you should be looking smart, dressing up nicely, having a nice tie, nice shirt, nice shoes and everything. You should be looking to come on time. You should have an image in the office which everyone is comfortable along with you. People in the office loves to come and talk to you, and you're sharing your ideas, each and every single thing. What else I would say in terms of assuming the role of a leader? You're going out in the field and being a good problem solver. Are you going out in the field, you're trying to create problems, or are you going out in the field trying to find solution? And the way I try to do that way, when I was in the field, I always used to kind of look at my leader and watch him, how he used to find solutions for the problems. Whether it's all about running a sector, whether it's all about going to the field, whether it's all about dividing a territory, dividing the map management and all those things, how exactly is my leader solving the problem? Because if I'm myself looking to get promoted to leadership within 2 to 4 weeks down the line, I can watch him, I can copy him doing exactly the second part. The next part of being assuming a leader, which for me is the most important thing in stage 2 will be is turning it on. And what I really mean by turning it on, when you're going to have a kind of a week going on which is a bit of challenging, which you don't have a greatest of start maybe on Monday and Tuesday, what for me is a great leader which can go out in the next 3 or 4 days and really pull up the sales, which can go out in the next really 3 or 4 days, can really hit the goal. Imagine you have a challenging day going on, maybe on the field at 0 at 6 o'clock, or maybe on the 0 in the field at 0 at 7 o'clock. But you know what? You still have that fire. I still got an hour left. I'm going to still ring the bell. That's what being assuming a role of being a good leader. What for me, assuming a role, having a great attitude. And what else mean by having a great attitude? Whatever happens, sometimes when in the field, when it's raining, it's pouring like hell, you still have a great attitude. Whatever happens, the weather cannot beat me. I'm going to still ring the bell. When you work in a territory which you don't feel like working, you know what? I'm going to still ring the bell. When you go out in the area, you know what? You got loads of negatives coming across, but I'm going to still ring the bell. And that's for me is the most important thing of getting promoted to leadership. Doing the small basics things correctly. Watching your leader how he's doing it. And if you can start copy that, and if you can start implementing in that, you know what? You're going to be a good leader. But again, don't put yourself under pressure that I need to do it today. I need to be a good leader today. You be prepared to do some small mistakes as well. Be prepared slowly to learn. And from that learning part, within a week, within 2 weeks down the line, or maybe 3 weeks down the line as well, you're going to be an absolutely great leader. But be prepared, doing mistakes and learning from those mistakes, and that's what's going to help you really get promoted to leadership. Apart from that, guys, have a great day, enjoy the day, and I'll see you next time, guys.